how to update camera driver on Windows 11. First, click on the search icon and type Device Manager, then open it. Now scroll down and find Cameras or Imaging Devices and click to expand it. Next, right-click on your A4Tech HD 1080p PC camera, then click on Update Driver. You will see two options here. Option 1. Click on Search Automatically for Drivers. Windows will automatically check for the latest driver and install it if available. Option 2. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers and tap Next. In many cases, you may see a message saying, "The best drivers for your device are already installed." If an update is available, it will install automatically. After that, it's recommended to restart your laptop to apply the changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.